Hello, welcome back my channel Car Technology. So in this video I show everyone and everybody how to replace fuel filter Toyota Land Cruiser and reset fuel filter maintenance required. So in this is how to remove and replace the fuel filter. In the first time, remove the ball of the fuel filter and remove and disconnect the fuel filter connector from the fuel filter. Yes. Okay, and use this AST tool. Everyone and everybody can watch and this video and I can do when you watch in this video finish. Okay, and can fix your car when I have the problem, the mistake fuel filter maintenance required. So this is the old fuel filter very dirty. So when the fuel filter dirty, you have the mistake the fuel filter maintenance required in a combination method or alert of the mistake fuel filter maintenance required for Toyota Land Cruiser. Okay, do you understand? Yeah, this is a quick and a fast replace the fuel filter new. Okay, we do like this and then install O-ring, install fuel filter new and O-ring new. Easy. I hope that you when you watch this video that I saw everyone finish can do yourself. Okay, now the install the fuel filter is ready. So now we need to reset this mistake fuel filter maintenance required. Okay, can use the fit pump until so hard and then ignition IG on. So and then connect the fuel filter connector. After the connect fuel filter, this is the how to reset the fuel filter maintenance required. Okay, and then turn off and start the engine. So the mistake the fuel